Hey ladies, welcome back to the channel. I'm Bianca, your Christian fitness trainer, prayer warrior, and vegan nutrition specialist. I'm going to get it right. Go ahead, Caleb. So today I'm going to share with you guys a quick recipe for ice cream. So I'm going to bring this a little close. All right. So guys, what do you think of it?
All of mine.
Okay. So all we did, this is so easy. Only thing you do is blend. We did frozen bananas. We did frozen strawberries. That was it. And
Honey.
but a little bit of vanilla. I used vanilla almond milk and a little bit, like a tablespoon of honey. And that was it. So that's all that's in here. Is good. The kids have eaten it, and you know summer's coming. Or by the time you see this, it'll probably be very much closer. But it's just a nice, quick treat that doesn't have a whole bunch of stuff in it that you don't know what it is. Very basic ingredients: frozen strawberries, frozen bananas, almond milk, and honey. That's it. So give it a try and let me know what you think. But it comes out nice and creamy, and sometimes I even put avocado. It makes it creamier. So give it a try. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you all soon. God bless. If you find value in this video, please like, subscribe, share with somebody else, and comment. Until next time, we love you.